Chat me a chat. When I don't know, once again, a Ziggie Bless, without a doubt. Seeing? Yeah, man, I say my love goes out. And right now, I have a chat about a place in Jamaica, in a Portmore. Seeing? Yeah, Portmore, St. Catherine, what them call Back Road. And why the man them love run the back road so? Seeing? Yeah, man, Back Road. Its original name is Port Henderson Road. See? Yeah, Port Henderson Road. Alright. I remember coming from school in the days, used to drive over the Causeway Bridge. When you're coming from Kingston, from town, you drive over the Causeway Bridge. But I think about that bridge right now, man. Every day we take a risk, That bridge was like a little small bridge, so a two lane on it. Two-way traffic. But looking back on that bridge, it was so small, man. Big buses going over that bridge there. For real. God was really on our side. We're not telling a lie. Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Keep it through them days there. Them time. But right now, them abandoned that bridge. It's still there. Them have the men now use it as fishing. Stand up on it and fishing right now. But them build a big pretty toll road right now next to it. Right? Yeah. So once you come through the toll road and headed into Portmore, Port Henderson is gonna be on the left. See? You have a left turn and you go on Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road. See? Back Road has been around for years. Years, man. Maybe over some 40 years or more too. See, but it's been around for years. Now years women around there so I sell themselves, I sell them body. Years man I go around there so I get a little one thing and ray and spend money and get a quickie and ray. See? Years. Right? Back then, them used to have a beach around here, so it was a Port Henderson beach. See? You used to have two beaches in a Portmore, in a Portmore, The Port Henderson beach, and you have the Forum beach. And you also have Elsha beach still too, which was the main beach from a long time. See? But they say Port Henderson beach, during those times, they used to call it Arse Beach. We used to go swim and all them things there. They used to call it Arse Beach because then you find out that the trainers, them, the groom on them from over track, the race track, they would came to that beach to bathe the horses them, to make them horses them run into the water. So it had up the name as Arse Beach. Right? And years after, I guess people buy it out and fence it off, and then decide to keep stage show around there. You know what I mean? Whole heap of artists used to pass through. Big stage show used to go on a Sunday night. We're in a Port Henderson, see? So it's a vibes place from a long time. And same place around there, so you have the woman prison. I think it went named Fort Augustus, I think. A female prison is also around here. It's kind of out in the water, but it's the same road there. When you go around on the same road there, that's where you have to go to go there. The women prison in Jamaica. Alright, I don't know if it's still there right now still, but that's where it used to be. So that little stretch of road there, a whole heap of little thing, been going on it for years. Yeah, Back Road what I talk about. See? Port Henderson Road. See? Yeah, man. So that's how the thing go. Alright. When you go to Boop and start enter Port Henderson Road now, from back in the days, even now, you find out that the ladies them, and them really boss it, You know what I mean? The ladies them who around here, I sell themselves, young girls, older ladies, and women with kids and all them things there. Around, always around here. Them have them kids, them have them life, but that them look a private hustle. Them private hustle that. And it's a thing that takes place all over in Jamaica. Everywhere have them little thing, but I'm talking about Back Road right now. See? The Back Road me I reason about right now, because that's what I know about. Right? I was living in Portmore for years as a youth. See? Yeah, so we know them road there. I've been around here too also. Just to be around there. As I say, we used to go swim and all of that. And since it turned back road on the ladies them, we walk on Port Henderson Road. Because you could, once you could go on Port Henderson Road, you know, that road is going to drop you out down in a Bayside right there, so. Right? You drop you out in a Portmore in Bayside area. So what I mean? Yeah. Is even right now, you find a new fishing village. It's on the left right now. Once you leave Kingston and go on the back road, the new fishing village is on the left right now. That's where the fishermen them, we can get fresh fish for buy and all of them things right now. Today in a 2026 right now. So I know the place. See? So you find out so after the years now, the ladies them start around them, man and man start to go around there, the talk start to go around, say, yo, you can't get a girl around, say, you know, get a little 1 kill, you know, get a head, you know, and ray. Right? So business people start come around there now and start to build up around there. See? Yeah, them have a lot of differently from the whole prostitution type of thing what go on still, you know. You have business around there, you know, you have nice places around there, you know. You have nice hotel around there, you know. Nice restaurants. You can go all the vibes. You have all jollies around there. See? Where you can go sit down and eat all two steamed fish, crackers and okra and all them things there. Drink all the one beer or whatever. See? Next to the water. And because the sea is right there next to, on the left side, you know. Once you're heading into Portmore, on the left, sea is behind the business place, them, the water. And on the right, that's land. Right? And I think some have a nice even hotel around here where shaped like a boat. I think it's a boat hotel. It's shaped like a ship. Alright, right now. But there are some nice places around there, man. Some nice hotel built up around there. Matter about hotel where you can spend time. You want there in a Portmore, you want in the city and the vibes of things. Yeah, man, and not only motel them have around there where you just go book all a little. I think maybe a 3 or 4 hours for go do a little one thing. Because they have them there around here. They have them type of vibes around there. They meet one of the hook of them, Ray. She say, yeah, you go pay for your little room 1 3 or 4 hours. Them have them things there. But on the other hand, them have nice hotels around there where you can see all the week and chill out for nice vibes. You have restaurant like the Fiesta restaurant. See? Casanova. You have around there. You have Blackfire Hangout where baddest food the man them prepare and them thing there. Nice bars around here. You can go all the vibes. It's just like a nice strip right now. Right in a Portmore right there, so. Like a nightlife and thing. See? You find out so the woman them around here right now, anywhere from like a 2,500, you can get a, you know what I mean? You can get a clean up and get a one work too. See? From 2,500 and up. Different women have different prices. See, but you have 2,500, you can find a woman around there. Or more than one of them where they would work with that. See, some of them charge 5,000, some of them 6,000. But 2,500 is the least. When you have that, you can boom bang. See? And get that thing done. See? What can I keep a thing clean? You don't know me I talk about. See? Get a clean up and thing and get a work. See? Let me say it that way there. Alright? So that's around from back road still, man. So you find out over the years, even foreigner fly down and him on the back road and get all the thing. You have a man with all him wife, or live all him yard with all him wife and family. And him go on the back road. Cause like the excitement around there, where them get from the ladies them and them things, them maybe them never get that from them wife, or them no want go them type of things with them wife. But them want indulge in them type of vibes there. So them know where if go them go back road and go get it. Cause anything goes around there, you know. See? Yeah man, that's a back road run, man. Anything goes around there. See? That's the famous back road that. That's what I say. Businessman. Yeah. Come around there. Come pick up a man. Yeah. And the woman them around there, you know, it's like you have to them watch here, you know, once you pull up and them thing, them not just boom and just jump in your car and gone or your yard or gone with you, you know. Them not too love left off of the premises. Them rather you come get a little hotel and bring them in there. So them can go do what them do and come back out and keep working again. They don't really want But you know, some of them over the years have regular clients who build up. Them have women who have them type of client that who regular client who come regular. So them get to know them. So then we take them away to them time there. Then we go with them type of people. Because surround around, you know, it's been going on for so many years. And them a man were regular around there. Him have a girl him check for. Start to like give her all money differently. But I just him side thing that way him go have fun with and freaky out with and go on with a bag of things with. See me I say, I saw the back road thing same and if I never know, man. So I make you know a little bit about the back road. Yeah, the famous back road in a Portmore, Henderson Road, back road. See? Yeah, man, a bit things going around there, man. I never hear no really killing or no robbing or nothing going around there, you know. You see, it's a safe zone. It's just a zone where you can go pick up ladies and go get a one work, or you can go around and go eat some food, all a drink and all a reasoning and push back out. And the type of vibes there right now. It's a strip. Them have them all over the world. Them have strip everywhere. That is the Jamaica strip right there. So we're in a Portmore. And I'm sure them have them in other places in the island in Jamaica. But I don't know of that. I'm not sure about them. But I'm sure about Port Henderson because we trod them road as a youth. And forward. I didn't even know we go to Jamaica late. We drive from Port. We drive through and just all see the vibes. See, we just drive through. See? Yeah. And just all look on the place and just see how the place. I build up the car around there. I build up real fast. Whole heap of a building are going right now. Enough other big hotel, nice hotels are built up. Yeah. Because it's a money making place. You understand? You can get anything around there where you want to buy, man. See? Yeah. Of course the high grades them there around there. You can get the high grade for smoke and everything. Everything there on the back road. See? So other type of vibes them, man. We just want to bring out. I know I said the ladies them. Not for them around there, them not too love on the camera thing, because as I said, them have them kids and they don't want them kids for know say them and the lifestyle of them I live at night time. See, them kids have it said the mommy gonna work, but they don't know what type of work mommy I do. So them not too want talk to on the camera. Some of them will talk. Some of them, you know what I mean, will talk to see me. See? Yeah. And them now just go down and boom and go down in the frowns boy. So from the know so when I look at friends, boy, when I go around the car, them not depend that to do no. See? Because when them goes up and goes up and smelling and smell friends, the woman them not even interested. I run them away. See? Keep your money and go on. See? I saw them stay around there. Yeah, man. I just a thing with them I do because what really make them do it? More time I just want to see poverty, you know. You see, poverty. Yeah. Them a try to look work and can't get on the work. See, them have the youth them to take care of. You know what I mean? And them going at it and a friend might tell a friend about it and all them things and them end up start it and them just get caught up in other life and like them can't even stop. Because the money sweet around and them can't make money around there. Because them have clientele come, drive on daily around there, all daytime. Man pass through around there. Night time. Man a roll through in them big vehicle. See, so the ladies them make money around there. No doubt about that. So you don't know you go money and making them thing there. It's like hard for them stop because them a make money. But at the same time them a worry out themselves. But the money make them they see them a worry out themselves. So that's why the good book say the lust of it, the lust of money is the beginning of evil, you know. See? The lust. See? You want it. See? So, I saw the thing go on. So, I say, I love the ladies, them kind of clean up them acts still. And kind of ease off what other type of vibes still and things still. If you ask me. Because our black sister, them, same way. See? And I want to tell you, say, what the male watch all one bridging, you know. Him go around there. Say him go act as a male prostitute. See, now I want to tell you, say, woman drive down in him have him sign, you know. A woman drive down in a car and I talk to him and I ask him. Them see him signing and how much, you know. See, it matter about woman and all of all them husband, you know. Yeah. See, him just go test the waters around there. And them have ladies that really draw down. And I question them how much you charge and all of them things. Ray. So, that might be a new thing I go start out around there. See, you find out that you go around there, a man around there, and some big man come pass through and come get them groove on. You just never know because I see it over there, I watch it with a brethren. See, and I'm just go test it and some ladies draw down on him. See, him actually I show a thing where him get a one blowers from one of them. See? Yeah, so I saw the thing set, man. It's a messed up situation still, but it's a reality. It's happening for years. At the famous back road. See, so man know what I talk about. You're Jamaican, you must know about the back road. From your yardie and you live in Jamaica for years. Even if you're traveling that far, you must know about back road. Even if you never go around there yet, you must heard about back road. See? Yeah. Back road, you got back road. All heap of titty you go see. All heap of pum pum. The ladies them just them not shy. Them dead there, them work that for them. And that them make them money with them ready. See? So I saw the thing come on. So you don't know. We just go on reason about the back road. I couldn't know so there's a place in Jamaica. Port Henderson Road, aka back road, inside of Portmore, Jamaica. See? Where the prostitute them is out. Sell them body. See? And the man them round there. I buy. Regular. Rich man. Poor man. Who can afford it. Working class man. Husband. See? Them dead. Them pass through there. So nobody them fool, you know, them dead. Them pass through there enough to. Plenty. See? Yeah man. So I just saw the thing, man. I just all a reason. See? I reason about everything, you know. We chat about everything. Cause I don't know, so I chat, you know. See, so we chat about everything. And open people's eyes to what go on when I tell a lie. From we say I saw the thing go. See? But yeah, man. When you don't know, and Ziggie Bless, you know. Salute. And respect goes out. See? Boom blast. Chat, I'm out. Yeah, man. Mad.